At that time, I knew that Innovatus Solar was bound for success. You know, the spirit that my father had left was so strong that I was so confident we could take it to the next level, to levels that we didn't even fathom when we started.
Right now, I'm just really excited. The direction we're headed right now, I think we're in it for the long haul, and we want to continue building relationships and getting to meet as many people in the solar industry as possible.
One of the things in our core values is engaging with our customers, and one of the things that we're working hard to do in the engineering group and the construction group and customer service is to reach out to our customer. Actually taking designs from the drawing board and not so much leaving the engineers in the office, but bringing them out into the field and engaging with the subcontractor and the customer and making sure that a product that they set and design really meets their needs.
2016 is going to be a great year for us. We're going to install almost 90 megawatts of solar power.
We've built projects all across the country and even overseas. Some of my favorite projects that we did were, one would be a 5 megawatt rooftop system for IKEA in Perryville, Maryland, on one of their large distribution centers.
IKEA is also a repeat customer that we are doing more projects with, both in St. Louis and in Detroit, which is about to be 60 megawatts, which will be the largest job east of the Mississippi in the history of American solar. So those are very large single rooftops, but on the other end of the commercial spectrum, we also did 17 Walgreens within the Boston, Massachusetts area.
Right now in South America, there's a big boom in the utility solar space. So we're looking at projects between 3 and 25 megawatts. Also, it's a brand new market for commercial rooftop projects in places like Chile and Brazil, Central America as well. So we're just being leaders and pioneers into those markets in those countries. One of the most notable projects, specifically as it relates to international opportunities, in 2014, Innovatus did our first project outside of the country in the Caribbean island of Anguilla. And it was a very moderately sized project, however, it's a very novel one. We connected a megawatt of solar energy to a water treatment facility. So this resort, which has a very big water problem being on a Caribbean island, is able to produce water during the day using the sun. And it was not only solving a big problem, but it has a very quick payback for that client because the cost of water is so high. So we're excited to look for new opportunities across, well, internationally, that solar can solve big problems for a number of different applications. The integration of solar with other technologies is key. So solar is a fantastic, amazing solution in the world, but one of the benefits of solar is it can be scaled up or down, and it can literally go anywhere, on the ground, on the roof, and it can be easily integrated with other technologies, such as batteries, or in this case, a water treatment facility. So we see that the ability of solar to adapt to different situations allows it to, again, solve big problems in different situations.
We try not to tie in to one specific technology. We tend to try to offer the customers whatever technology works the best for their geography as well as their application. One of the things we did is developed our own racking solution. It's called Canzo, and this was really a reaction to the market and seeing that we weren't finding the right balance of density and ease of application within the market. So we developed this plastic racking solution to adapt. That's just an example of how we are constantly trying to change and grow at the same time into the market.
Our team really stays up to speed on the products that are in the marketplace, and we need to make sure that we have the most efficient solar projects, but also that we are learning what's coming ahead. Lately, it's been energy storage. Energy storage is a great component that can team up with solar energy, and we see amazing things happening in energy storage the next 5 to 10 years.